Good morning. I'm gonna give you a quick review over this Stanley Fatmax jumper I got. That's 1,000 amps. I had it for about a year, and I'm gonna get straight to the point and show you how it works and give you my review on it. Because I woke up this morning and I could not get my Mustang to start it. I hadn't started in about a month, so the first thing I had to do was use my jumper. So here we go. As you can see where the Mustang at, the only car right next to it is the Mercedes. How many people do you know is gonna stop on the side of the road and give you a jump if they driving a Mercedes or Lexus, BMW and all that? They're not gonna give you a jump, and I'm in the situation right here, so I'm gonna get straight to it right here. Here's my jumper. As you guys know, I've had this for about a year and I love this thing. So I'm gonna show you the only thing you have to do. And I done jumped it, used it about 5 times. I supposed to have charged it, so I don't know what the status is, but I need to use it and get out of here right away. So I'm gonna just hit the battery status. It says it's got 12.8, so that's good. I think as long as it's at 12, it'll be able to jump this car. So let's give it a try. Only thing I do is take the positive and put it on the positive and the negative to the negative, or you could put your negative to the frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect that because I can't connect it while I'm trying to film this. You know, sometimes you got to do stuff by yourself, and if you ain't got one of these, I say you best to get one. If you're driving over 20-30 miles a day, keep one of these things. I done used it since I've had it. I probably done used it 30 times, helping people on side the road and jump in my food truck and my car, my truck. So let's see if this worked today. So I already got my negative. I don't have to put my positive on. You heard that beep? I mean, it's ready to start. So it looks like it's saying the negative and positive is connected correctly. So this is what you'll get on your display if it's connected. Then what you want to do is just come over here and just turn it on to the boost. So I just come here, turn it on. You see how that went down a little bit? Because it's boosting that battery. Let's try it now. All right, old Mustang, start up. Oh, look at that. Perfect. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Oh, okay, before I go, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect this. You hear it's beeping. So first what I do, I just turn this booster off, and I take my negative off. Thing on there pretty tight. Take the negative off, and then I'm gonna reach over here and take my positive. And that's it. All right, thanks for watching.